So, you want to build a website, but every builder claims they're the best. Well, today I'm comparing two of the most popular builders, that's Hostinger versus Wix. Both are modern, but honestly, quite different. And I'm going to break down the key questions that you should be asking before choosing one. I've used both for years, so you're going to get practical insights that you're not usually going to find in a standard review. Now, if you already know which one you want, I do have the best discounts available in the description. For everyone else, let me share my thoughts. One of the main reasons these builders are popular is due to how just easy they are to use. So yeah, I'm starting this Hostinger website builder versus Wix review with ease of use. Both Hostinger and Wix make it simple to start building a site, but it doesn't take long to notice the differences. Wix gives you well over 2,000 templates to choose from, covering everything from restaurants and beauty salons to portfolios and events. Hostinger has a smaller set of a little over 150 templates, but they're clean, they're modern and quite different from one another, while some Wix templates look almost exactly the same. Hostinger templates also rely less on visual effects and more on just straightforward structure, which makes them easier to build on if you want something simple and focused. Both builders let you generate a full website with AI, and the process is beginner-friendly on either platform. Hostinger tends to produce the initial version more quickly. Now that said, I noticed Wix does a slightly better job interpreting your prompts. Anyhow, you can rerun the generator on both, so the difference just isn't dramatic. And if you already want to give it a try, use my discounts from the description to get the lowest price on either of these no-code website builder options. All right, and there are more differences once you start editing and customizing your site. Wix gives you a lot of design freedom, but the sheer number of tools, options, settings, plugins, and so on can slow you down, if you're not used to the platform. Plenty of customization, but it's just easy to get lost in menus or spend too much time tweaking details that don't actually matter. Hostinger's editor takes sort of the opposite approach. So fewer tools, less clutter, and a layout that's very easy to navigate. The elements cover everything most users need without adding extra layers of complexity. And their AI tools are not just there for building the site from scratch. Both have AI tools for editing as well. Wix includes things like AI text and image generation, logo creation, and even marketing-related features. Hostinger's AI tools include content writing, image and logo generation, and more. The one I want to highlight, though, is the search engine optimization setup, which is huge for any beginner who has no idea how to deal with SEO, which was me at the start. All you got to do is click a few buttons, and it optimizes your site. So while Wix has more customization and tools in general, their AI packages are kind of similar. Okay, overall, Hostinger AI Website Builder is the easier platform to learn and the quicker option for getting a site online without any friction. So hey, why not give it a go yourself without paying the full price? Just scan this QR code or click the link in the description for the best Hostinger discount. Now, Wix offers more freedom and more tools, but that flexibility comes with a learning curve that beginners just may find unnecessary. So if you're up for that challenge, I've got the Wix discount in the description as well. All right, next in this web builder comparison, let's talk features and e-commerce. Hostinger keeps things straightforward. You get 0% transaction fees when using their built-in payment options, and you can sell up to 1,000 physical or digital products. That's more than enough, for most shops. And the business plan comes with everything you need to manage your catalog, send email notifications, handle appointments, and keep your store organized. For a small to mid-sized business, it works very well. Now, Wix e-commerce has a little more capabilities. You can sell up to 50,000 products, and even the basic plans offer solid selling tools. Moving up to the business plan does unlock detailed inventory control, advanced shipping options, support for gift cards, a huge list of payment methods, digital and physical product management, returns, reviews, and more. So if you want room to scale or need deeper customization in how your store operates, Wix has the advantage. But for anything that is not as big, Hostinger's simplicity and lower costs do reign supreme. Now, SEO and marketing tools are kind of the same story. Both platforms cover the essentials, but Wix includes a wider range of built-in marketing options and offers a stronger analytics dashboard that gives you detailed insights into traffic and sales. Hostinger keeps things lighter. The difference in integrations is simple. Wix has an app store and Hostinger doesn't. That means Wix can expand in ways that Hostinger can't. Whether you want advanced booking systems, specialized marketing tools, or niche third-party features, but with those, even more management is put on you instead of the platform. I mean, looking at everything together, Wix definitely brings more features overall, but the platform can feel crowded, harder to use and maintain, and occasionally redundant. Picking a website builder locks you into their hosting system, so you're kind of stuck with the performance it provides. And fast websites make a huge difference, not just for me, but for almost anyone browsing online. A 1-second delay can be like 7% less transactions. That's why loading speed is such an important consideration when picking the best website builder. Google suggests keeping load times under 2.5 seconds for the best SEO results, and the message is pretty clear. If your pages take longer than that, expect your rankings to slip. So let's find out if Wix or Hostinger is faster. In my tests, I focused on metrics like largest contentful paint, which tracks how quickly the main part of a page becomes visible. Both Wix and Hostinger scored well. Hostinger's sites generally load in roughly 1 second, more than comfortably meeting Google's guidelines. Wix is slower, but within the recommended range, just over the 2-second mark. So while Wix is not overly slow, Hostinger wins this round. Okay, now that performance is out of the way, let's talk money. I'm just gonna say it like it is, okay? Pricing and value comparison gives us a real winner, and it's not even close. So just a heads up, the pricing you see is with my discounts from the description. Wix does offer a free plan, which is great if you just want to experiment or publish something simple on a Wix subdomain. But it comes with big limitations, from visible Wix Studio branding to being locked on a subdomain, and the resources can barely hold off a few visitors before crashing. So it's really only good for testing the builder. For a real website with real visitors, you're going to need one of their 4 paid plans. 3 of those support up to 50,000 products, and Wix never raises prices on renewal, which is a nice perk, but still, they're much more expensive than Hostinger across the board. Hostinger is just simply the cheaper platform and offers better value as well. The business plan allows 50 websites on a single subscription compared to Wix's 1 site per plan. Even the cheaper Hostinger plan includes a free domain, weekly backups, domain privacy protection, and better overall value than Wix's lowest tier. For e-commerce and a full suite of AI tools, you're going to need the business plan, which is only about $1 more and still dramatically cheaper than Wix. So while Wix's no renewal price increase policy is a definite plus, it doesn't change the overall outcome. Hostinger Website Builder wins on price and value, hands down. You get more flexibility, more features, and far more room to grow for a fraction of the cost. All right, so overall, comparing Hostinger versus Wix, Hostinger is my winner. It has better performance, it's more beginner friendly, and it's way more affordable. But if you don't mind spending a bit more time and money to build something truly unique, Wix is also a good option. So whichever best AI builder you choose, don't forget to use my discounts from the description. And thanks for watching. I'll see you around.